Here's the coziest apple crisp you'll ever make. Soft cinnamon apples underneath, and that golden crispy topping on top. I mean, just look at this. Your kitchen is about to smell like a warm apple bakery, and the best part? Even a complete beginner can pull this off. No stress, no fancy skills, just comfort food magic. Alright, let's make it. I'm starting with 2 medium apples. Peel them, core them, and chop them into small cubes. You can slice them too, but cubed apples give you those perfect little apple chunks in every bite, very satisfying. In a separate bowl, add those cubed apples. Now add 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a tiny pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. Mix everything together until the apples look shiny and well coated. Transfer them into your baking dish or ramekins. Now for the crumble topping, the best part. In another bowl, add 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons oats, or you can swap for 3 tablespoons chopped almonds or walnuts, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 3 tablespoons cold unsalted butter cut into cubes. Use clean hands to rub the butter into the dry ingredients. The warmth of your hands will soften the butter and create that sandy, crumble texture. Once it feels like a chunky breadcrumb mixture, you're ready. Sprinkle this crumble evenly over the cinnamon apples. You can add a few tiny extra butter cubes on top if you want, but honestly, the crumble already has plenty. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes, or until the top turns golden and crisp. And just look at that. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of soft whipped cream. Let me know how your apple crisp turned out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me bring you more quick and cozy recipes. Take care and happy cooking.
Delicious.